Yahoo! Prof here. Today with another tech update. Got a bunch of things going because it's one of my few days off. Let's see what I'm working on. Alright, first things first, we got two of these cheapy laptops. These are the ones with the 32 gig eMMC memory. I'm going to try and get these sold. People will probably buy them for like back to school, that sort of stuff. Technically, the last version of Windows that these support, due to that built-in SSD, is 1809, which is no longer supported by Microsoft. I'm going to see if I can get it on something newer by removing some features to free up some space. Over here, we have, well, if you guys have seen one of the hashtags my followers made for me, which is all the RMAs. This is my first custom Xbox controller that I have now broken. See, there's no movement on this stick here when you twist it left or right, like this works normally. But look at the left stick here. I was playing some Tony Hawk, heard a crunch. This now twists left and right. I think I broke off a standoff. So if any of you know how to repair a Xbox One controller, or like what might be broken in there, let me know. Hit me up. I would appreciate it. Here we have the shell of what I broke last week, and that is my WASD keyboards V2. Right there, Cherry MX Blues. What I did is I snapped off the micro B port. Great job, Elliot. I know. There's a reason why I have that hashtag. Turns out that WASD is actually super good at supporting their products. Better than many brands. And basically, you can get a whole new PCB, or you can get a whole new case. And then if you spend $5 extra, I think the case was like $20 for a plastic one. But if you give them $5 more, they'll even give you the newer board that converts it to a Type C, an equivalent to a WASD V3. And we'll take a look here. What I actually did is upgraded to one of the aluminum cases, and I finally put on one of the key sets I bought, I think 2017, the amazing Chocolatier. I think this looks amazing. It now has, it's really chunky, and it now has a Type C port. With the cost of either one, they still ship you a USB-C to A, and it does still maintain, with the original USB to PS2 adapter, it does still maintain PS2 compatibility, which is what I want to use this for on my repair computer. So I think that set of keys turned out amazing, if you ask me. With that, they ship you a couple extra screws, besides the ones that are already in there. This white tool was needed, really useful in making the keyboard popping apart. It fits, if you see the ends there, they are spaced exactly perfectly to pop at those clips right there. And you basically just line it up. You can kind of see the outline of the clip through the gap, and you push the correct way and it just pops it apart really easily. Without this little tool that they ship with it, which I'm going to keep, would have been a real pain in the butt. That is going to go get recycled. And the last thing today for updates is my wheels came in. I gave Squares the big ol' 70mm red ones that were on this board previously because, well, they were a bit too big. Wee bit of wheel bite would send you flying. Now we're down to 60mm right there. That was the only color Amazon had in stock due to COVID. It's like I think they called it clear emerald, but I really do think it turned out to actually be a decent match to what was ready on the board. Also swapped out those bushings to the hard ones. I put soft ones on there. I am far too heavy for that. And it's been a while since these have been ridden. I don't think the bearings need to be cleaned, but they will get lubed on this board as well here. And I did pick up, this is by far my favorite skateboard hardware here, as they do make stainless hardware. All my hardware in the past used to get all rusted up. Dragon does make stainless, and they now make black stainless. Not that I'm going to swap that on every board, but what I am going to do is, like on this board here, swap those two over to black so it's easier to tell which way is front and back. So let me know what you guys thought about that. If you have any feedback, especially on the Xbox controller, it would be appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.